Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am participating in the Clean Closet Challenge that's hosted by Heidi and Jessica. I will leave their channel information below in the description, so when you're done here, head over and check them out. This is a look into my upstairs linen closet. This closet doesn't get used often, but it has looked the same since we moved in 2 years ago. It's definitely time for an update. First, I'm going to take everything out so I can see exactly what I have, and I have a blank canvas so I can clean it out before I put anything back inside.
Just enjoy, take my advice. You say that you love it and you're okay, but I know better and you're afraid.
Next, I'm going to organize all of the items that I took out into these baskets that I picked up for this project.
I don't understand.
Man, she has a bunch of shampoo and conditioner, and you would be correct. I used to be a huge couponer, so I had a huge stockpile of those items. I actually have not purchased either of those in a few years. Now to go ahead and put the baskets back. Doesn't it look so much better already? Now that all the items are back on the shelves, it's time to move to the things that were on the door, which is where I kept all of our medicine and suntan lotion and things like that. So here you see me sorting out all of those items. I am putting all the things that are expired in one pile, all the suntan lotion in one pile, all the kid items in one pile, and all the adult items in a pile. The things I like to keep upstairs are items that we do not use on a day-to-day basis. So items that we use during the summer, overstock items, cold medicine, stuff like that. The finished result. I must say I am pleasantly surprised by how much more room just by organizing this closet that I have now. I hope you enjoyed this video and it gave you some motivation to tackle a closet in your home. If you're new and coming over from the playlist, hi, I would love to have you subscribe. Thanks for watching.